Raising chickens can be a rewarding experience. It provides fresh, nutritious eggs and meat. It can also be a source of income. Proper chicken feeding is crucial for successful poultry farming. Just like humans, chickens need a balanced diet to thrive. Feeding your chickens properly ensures they lay many eggs. It also means the chickens will grow at the right pace. Healthy chickens are less likely to get sick. They are happier. This guide will help you understand how to feed your chickens. We'll explore the feed requirements for various chicken breeds. We'll look at different life stages. We'll also discuss practical feeding practices for beginners. Let's embark on this journey to raise healthy and productive chickens. Proper feeding is the cornerstone of successful poultry farming. It directly impacts the health and productivity of your flock. Adequate nutrition makes your chickens healthier. It also increases their egg production. This leads to higher profits for you. Feeding your chickens correctly also ensures high-quality eggs. The eggs will have strong shells and vibrant yolks. When you provide the right nutrients, you boost your chickens' immune systems. This makes them more resistant to diseases. Proper feeding also influences the growth rate of meat chickens. This is especially important for broilers. They are bred specifically for their meat. By investing in good quality feed and following recommended guidelines, you can maximize your return on investment. You'll also enjoy the satisfaction of raising healthy and happy chickens. Both underfeeding and overfeeding can have detrimental effects on your flock. It's crucial to find the right balance to ensure your chickens' well-being and productivity. Underfeeding your chickens can lead to various health issues. These include malnutrition, stunted growth, and reduced egg production. Chickens that don't receive enough nutrients may exhibit weakness, lethargy, and a higher susceptibility to diseases. Conversely, overfeeding can be just as harmful. Overfeeding can lead to obesity, which puts stress on their joints and organs. It can also decrease egg production and increase the risk of health problems, like fatty liver disease. Always monitor your chicken's body condition and adjust their feed intake accordingly. Consult a veterinarian if you notice any signs of illness or abnormal weight changes. Section 4: Feeding different types of chickens, a detailed guide. Different types of chickens have different nutritional needs. Understanding these differences is essential for providing appropriate feed. Chicks, 0 to 8 weeks. Chicks require a starter feed with a high protein content, around 20 to 22%, to support their rapid growth and development. Chicks need easy access to fresh water. Pullets, 8 to 20 weeks. As chicks transition into pullets, gradually switch them to a grower feed with slightly lower protein levels, about 16 to 18%. This feed helps them develop properly without gaining excess weight. Laying hens, 20 plus weeks. Once your hens start laying eggs, they need a layer feed formulated to support egg production. Layer feed typically contains 16 to 18% protein, along with calcium for strong eggshells. Broilers. Broilers are bred for meat production and have specific dietary needs to ensure optimal growth. They require a high-protein diet, around 20 to 24%, throughout their life cycle. Local breeds. Local chicken breeds may have varying nutritional requirements, so it's best to consult with experienced breeders or veterinarians for specific guidance. Always provide your chickens with grit, which helps them grind their food in their gizzards. Section 5: Establishing a feeding schedule and frequency. Establishing a regular feeding schedule and frequency is essential for maintaining a healthy flock. Chicks, 0 to 8 weeks. Chicks have small stomachs and need to eat frequently throughout the day. Offer them small amounts of feed every few hours. Growing chickens, 8 to 20 weeks. As your chickens grow, you can gradually increase the amount of feed per feeding and reduce the frequency. Laying hens and adult chickens. Adult chickens typically do well with 2 feedings per day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Ensure that all chickens have equal access to the feeders to prevent competition and ensure that every bird gets enough to eat. Observe your chickens' eating habits and adjust the feeding schedule and frequency as needed. Section 6: Practical tips for profitable poultry farming. To maximize your poultry farming profits, implement these practical feeding tips. Buy feed in bulk. Purchasing feed in larger quantities often comes with discounts, saving you money in the long run. Store feed properly. Store chicken feed in a cool, dry place to prevent spoilage and maintain its nutritional value. Consider supplemental feeding. Supplement your chicken's diet with kitchen scraps, garden greens or mealworms for added nutrition and variety. Monitor feed consumption. Keep track of how much feed your chickens consume to identify any potential issues early on. By following these practical tips and staying informed about your chicken's nutritional needs, you can establish a thriving flock and enjoy the rewards of successful poultry farming.